Whoop. Good evening, everyone. Let me fix my monitor. Audio. Can you connect, please? Connect. Yep. Finally. We are good. So we're back to the theme hospital, and I actually tried it off stream, and I was able to do what I actually wanted. So where is my StreamerBot for this stuff? Come on. It started. Headphones, can you work? Huh? Strange. Okay, so there is our look. Go here. So on StreamerBot side, I did it pretty easy because C# is much simpler than C++ for me. So I created this command class with a iCommand. Where is it? So I don't know why, but in C# you can create interface with field properties. And you can simply return it from the method. So I build this factory, which encapsulates this switch statement, and it decides which one to generate. But when I tried to do it on the game side, I was stuck. So I was reading a little bit. So in C++, you can't have properties of fields in interface, or it will not be counted as interface. Basically, there is no such thing as interface per se. It's like virtual class, basically, how I understand this. And you're supposed to do it like that. And it will work like interface. Where is my command? Header. Command header. So we got factory, which generates this stuff. And these commands, which generate this command. And actually I think I again will have a problem here. One up to date. Let me clean you. Remembered how I managed to fix it. So I had to, first of all, where is it? It must return the pointer. You cannot return the concrete class itself, like value. You need to pass a pointer. And the problem was that if I will use return from here with a pointer, I was getting an error with a boost describe, because either I don't understand how to write this command correctly with a pointer return type, or it doesn't support it at all. So I was able to refactor it completely. So right now, instead of having where is it? Static parse method, I just use constructor, which by default returns pointer basically, and boost describe is working perfectly fine with that. So I was able to do this nice thing instead of this ugly thing. And where is the output? We are building successfully, and I even tried it with Wake. Let me see this again. Let me enter the game. So, where is my injector? And test trigger. Okay, we are injected into the game. It's waiting for connection, and now, because there is auto connect, it's open and waiting for messages. Okay. So now, let me get back my logs. Yes, it's a problem with a hospital. Can I? Oh, no, it's working. Okay. There's some glitches. And now, if I will trigger this, we should get... it's injector, sorry. I tried to inject again. So there is a quake, severity 3, okay. So voila. And it doesn't work for some reason. Quake. Everything okay. Is this stuck somewhere? Nope. I think I accidentally selected the logs and it stopped updating it. Oh. So here we are seeing our message. Up, command name, command, and there is our logs from here. THSM 2. 2, it's because it's actually a num. Where is it? So 0, 1, and 2. That's why it shows 2. And if we will look here and wait a little bit, we can see a quake. Let me fast forward the game. There will be second wave as intended. So everything works perfectly fine for now. So finally I can stop messing with the WebSocket and write some game logic code. So Quake, actually. Did I finish it? Quake. It's this. And Quake next is this. And Quake manager. So I need Quake command actually. So it parses. I don't know how legal is this syntaxis, but it works. So I'm parsing into pointer of this. So it's an instance of the command, and it works. So here is our run for Quake. We are running Quake command. Okay, Quake manager. I will fix it later. Unset last index. Okay, create new and replace new. What I wanted to see if I can replace this. Like the whole object in the one go. So instead of having these 3 lines, get like that. But it doesn't like it. Not suitable conversion function from Quake next to Quake next pointer. Just Quake next. It's a pointer to the address in memory. Where is my Ghidra? Come on, open program. Finally. Shish. Where are the labels? It's easy like that. Next. Quick next. Find use of. So this is the place where it's stored. Where is? Where is my Quake next? Quake next. Quake. Where is the address? This index offset. It's in the header. Yep. So next offset 11b7. So I'm pointing at this address. Okay. This is the global. If we got this address, just if I will make like that and pass an address here, how I understand it will just replace this address, so it will point to the another. Okay, I need to copy, I think, but let me test what will happen. I will pass the address. Okay, fine. Oh, wrong button. Okay, we're here. Now I actually need my debugger. Okay, touch hospital. Quick next is this. Okay, B7. So it's loaded here. Here with 6 bytes. Now let's inject. Yes, debugger doesn't like my injector. So we got this, but we don't need this right now. Let me quick. I hope we will not crash. And we got big fat nothing. Or did we? Let's update it, but with some weird values. Not so weird, it's from the game file, but not mine. So no, it doesn't update how I wanted. Let me detach you, and I will try and attach you. Hospital. this thing? Oh, okay. That's how it works. Attach. Stop. Now let's again trigger, and we should break here. So this address quick next. Okay, we see this. It already contains the wrong address because I changed it. So now it points to this address which in the memory. So how I thought it will change this address from our in-game global to some memory address. So this is not the case. So it will not work like that. I don't need to change pointer, I need to change values to which it points. How I can do it? Can I do it like that? Let me detach. Close. Okay, closed. Build. Now run again. Start, come on, come on. Okay. Trigger. Okay, got this. Now attach. Shit. Attach to a process. Control LP. Okay, we are here. Stop. Moving, please. Send our quake. Voila, we are here. So right now it points to correct address. Our quake contains this stuff. If I will will I be able to attach another debugger? Interesting, I can. So right now it's in-game values. Move, and now this quake next contains our values. And where is my game? Okay. I need to run this, then we will see it here. Or not. Oh, wait a minute, that's the wrong address. What the hell are you showing me? That... Huh? Why are you sending me to the incorrect address. Copy address. Invalid memory address. Come on, why I attached to the wrong process? That's what I expected. So you cannot attach two debuggers to the same process. But at least it was showing me the correct result. Let me just see it here now. So we got in-game data. Now we are injecting and running and Quake. And voila, we got them changed. And if we will wait a little bit, we will get the Quake. Faster. Second one. Yay, second wave. That's nice. Okay, so I understand pointers. Good to know. So like logically I understand what pointer is, but sometimes my brain starts confusing stuff. So this is dereferencing. So I'm looking like that, not on the address, but on the object. And if I will do it like that, it will swap the actual object. So voila, I made this as I wanted. Now we need to add an actual feedback. I want to do it in platform independent. Where is my example? Do I have a Diablo here? No. Do I have here Diablo? Why? This. Oh, it's searching by the names, not the categories. So here is my main StreamerBot. Here is my Diablo 2 action. Yeah, Shining, how it's going? Seems like your mod is going pretty good. Yeah, I finally managed to do a factory pattern in C++ somehow. So I hope it will go faster right now, because for me it was the most difficult part is to make like flexible code. So as always you can do it like straight, spawn dozen of different commands, different classes, and make the huge switch cases, etc, etc. But I want to make it factory, so it parses and it understands which class it's supposed to take and produce, and you can like extend it if you need. So right now I can send command from Twitch to StreamerBot. It's basically what StreamerBot does. It where is it? So you basically attach here the channel reward or anything you want. You will decide what you want. So yeah, making something actually eligible is actually the hardest part of the creating anything. Yeah, the hard part of coding is to make a maintainable code and readable. So, where is my StreamerBot? How it works in the Diablo mod? I didn't fix this yet in here. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm talking about. Some of them are working properly and having sub-actions, some not. So, when I send the command, I was getting reward ID and redemption ID from StreamerBot and sending this to the server inside the game. Then game was sending back the result of the run, because some thing can not run in some instances. And also I was sending text to the game, because Diablo chat is pretty easy to attach to, and all rewards was getting chat notification inside the game, so you can see that someone redeemed without looking anywhere. So the game was was storing this, and when it's run the thing inside the game, if it succeeded, it returns the result with these values back. So StreamerBot understands what to do. And if where is it? Complete was true, it will fulfill the redemption, and it will deduct points from the viewer. And if it's failed, it will refund. So there was no wasting points. But because right now you can use Twitch, YouTube, Trovo, and Livestream, I suppose. Where is it? Platforms. Yeah, officially supported right now 4 platforms. So it's not useful to call it reward ID and attach it to reward ID. You actually can attach it, for example, if you're not affiliate, you don't have rewards. So you can attach it to the chat commands or stream elements or anything else. So I want to make a general field in the message. Where is my message class? So it will be something like public string and I will call it just ID. And you can use it as you want. But I need to check actually, is this enough? Because I was sending again reward and redemption ID. How I was even using reward ID? Because I know the redemption, you required redemption to this. Okay, I see. I need reward and redemption. Okay, there is a problem. It must be at least 2 items. And I don't know how work other platforms. Can I see anything in the docs? Docs, StreamerBot. I think they added a lot of API stuff here. And again, I'm using lightest, I think, browser, and it's still lagging. Okay, on YouTube you don't have anything. You get super chat, super sticks, message ID. There is no such thing as redemption, like you can't refund super chat or something like that. Come on. Trovo, where is Trovo? You get chat messages, you get gifts. Okay. Documentation needed. Nice. Ooh. So then easiest. Of course. Because it will be like I will parse it only on StreamerBot side. I don't really care what you will send here. You can send a string, you can send a freaking JSON string or anything. Game will not give a damn about this field. It will not utilize it at all. It will just send it back so you can identify the answer from the WebSocket, because they can come and go in the async manner. So I have a decision to make. I can make it a string and you can do wherever you want and stuff wherever you want into the string, or I can give you a dictionary or just plain object. But I think it's easier to move strings so you can parse it as you need. So, okay, for now it will be string. Check args. Up name, command name. Where is it? Command, generate command. Generate command. It gets args. The whole args. Okay. So it will be on the StreamerBot to decide. So I command. Where is the I command? I command. Okay. Oh no, it's where is the I command? There it is. Okay. So we need name and ID. By default, empty string. Can I make it like that? Instant properties in interface cannot be initialized. Okay. In closed command, we need ID equal empty. It doesn't have any identification, so we don't care. String ID. Quick command ID, and here in command I will parse, I think, name, severity, string ID equal empty by default. And here I think we will check ID equal empty will give you this either, or it will give you JSON. JSON, where is it? JSON convert serialize. And we will serialize this ID, which we got. Voila, it works like that. Now, in generate command, we also need to pass string ID, which equal again empty, and then I basically don't need it here, or I will have to write it everywhere. Command. Or should I make a couple constructors? So I can just make whoop like that. And the second one will be like that. There's an argument given to correspond to the required parameter ID. 122. 122. Okay, wait. So Quake ID, constructor without ID, constructor with ID, then close command, constructor without ID, and converter with ID. Voila, now we get two constructors when we will pass ID and where we will not. So here we will pass ID because we need it. No overload that takes three arguments. What are you talking about? I have a create. Command Quake create. Maybe I don't need this static method and I can create just like that. From here with the constructors. No, because I'm doing this stuff. But then I will lose this flexibility. Command create args. Just should I use even this in constructor? I will move it and I will have to pass the whole arcs there. It's not good. So create string ID empty. Interesting. If I will try to serialize an empty string, what will I get? Let's try. Okay, we will not do this overload. We will do string ID equal nothing. Command quick. Where is this? This ID and the ID. Okay, this builds. Now we will see. I think I will move the logic for the ID outside of this stuff. So it will be here and it will set argument here. But to do this, I actually... interesting. Can I do... duplicate. So we will set ID to reward ID. Can I... This kinda object reward ID, then it must be also enclosed, or no, it will be string by itself, and redemption ID equal redemption ID, like that. Will StreamerBot work with it? Let me check names. I can see them here. Where is my Quake? Let me enable my channel point. Channel point, where is it? Don't tell me I removed all of them. Okay, shake it firmly. It goes back. Okay. Now we need to attach this to channel reward redemption. Shake it firmly. Okay. I will test. Here is a reward ID. Let's copy. So basically, so it's easier to see. JSON supposed to be like that. And second one is Why it's muted? Redemption ID. Okay, so this we need to add here, just in case I mistyped something. Actually, I can see the ID field here already, no? Yeah, there is my ID. Oh, yeah, it worked fine in the first place. That's good to know, but yeah, I see the problem. Although its type is a string of redemption ID and reward ID, but when you do it like that in StreamerBot, it will lose these quotations. So I need to fix it. Switch. Voila. Now, if I will test this, we should get the correct result this time. Yep, they all in the quotes. And if I will look here, where is my send command? Applicant send data. So we will log info our data. Okay, test, and here what we will get. Okay, we got an error because not error, but the wrong result. ID is empty. And interesting. So this there's the 4 items. So something wrong with creating JSON. Okay, so we passed ID here, but I think we never actually read it here. So we will not check for try get value here because it's not required. So after try get value, well, check args. Okay, so I will grab, for example, this. And before generating command, we will try get value ID object if it's equal if there is no such thing, ID equal this. If args try get value ID will be found, we will actually overwrite this ID equal args ID, and we will pass it here. So we actually don't need to check it here. It will be checked up there. 20 ID arg ID. Okay, to string. So right now, if we will try and run the reward, oh, okay. That's why I don't like this kind of stuff, because that's a JSON representation of empty string. That's a lot of slashes, and if you will pass the string as a string to JSON and try to serialize it, it will create much more escaping that you need. And actually, I think I made a stupid mistake. That's why it's happening. When I create a command and ID. I don't use this ID, but I created it. Did I use it here as a identification? No, reward was here, redemption was here. Command, got identification, message doesn't have anything basically. Should I up the identification to the message itself, not to the command? Or it identifies the command, not the message. Okay, we will leave it like that. Just what I made, I serialized object, which actually is not required, because serialization is basically transforming object into the string. But because I'm sending strings already here, I don't need to serialize it. So I either need to send object here and serialize it, or I need to send the string and don't serialize. Just if I want to make so this code doesn't give a damn about identification which you are chose, it should not get object. So let's do it like that for now. We will remove serialization up here and we will just send string, because I was getting serialization here in the commands. Actually, I need to remove second one, and when it returns command here, it goes from the factory back here, and it again serializes. So there is double serialization of the object. That's why there's so many escaping, because each step of serialization escaping quotes from previous and escaping the escaping elements. That's why this part is written fine, and here it's starting to escape because I already made this into a string. For now. I want to get rid of it also, but we will see. And that looks more like it. We still got some escaping of escaping, but I think we cannot escape it. Because when I make this argument, it will also will be escaped. Let me see. So we got ID. It's a string. If I will bh log info ID, how it will look in the first step. There is, so it's looking fine here. Okay, we can get rid of you. Then we go to generate command. Generate command. Do this stuff. Create, for example, Quake. Generate command parse. ID is a string. Goes to command. It assigns to a string. It returns here. Then it returns here. We got command. Then message. Serializes this. And then we serializing again. And we cannot escape this, because if I will get rid of this, we will get a problem. Cannot please convert from I command to string. I command. So we got this, but it's still escaping this. Huh? Why? At which step it happens? It's not supposed to happen anymore. Serialize. That's the last serialize, but we need it. Let me see message. Cannot convert to string. We will not be able. We will see the class representation. Yep. Yep, that will be a message. Message, new message. So I got rid of this serialization. Why? You'll add this escaping stuff. Let me copy this. Yeah, there is only one call to serialize object. Okay. let it be then. Let's return this serialization back. Change the string. Now we need to add here the callback, basically. Quake next, Quake manager, replace Quake next. Where is it? Quake manager. No, it's in Quake command. There it is. Quake replace Quake next, and how I can monitor that it was a successful run? We will just YOLO it. Because in Diablo it was easier because there was a sending data between server inside the game, because the game consists of two parts, client and server. So I was sending from the client to Diablo server, and after the Diablo server was running the stuff, it was sending data back. I have a repo on me right now. Oh, sorry. Plugin run. Common. PQS. Where is my modification? Already installed. Do run. Installer no. So game changes this data for the Quake next, and I think there is no indication. So this is oh, wait a minute, there's a Quake stages. Oh, yeah. So I need to grab the Quake stage. Let me grab this address and look at it. I remember there was some. Game, come on. Come on, start. Okay, attach. So this is our address of interest, which contains stage of Quake, and I need back my Quake next, Copy. Go here. So I will trigger it just manually right now. I just need to switch, not this. Nice, I closed the freaking window. CPU, go back. So okay, right now it's a 0 and stage contains how many? 1 byte. So we need to change this to 0. We will look at this value. Voila. 0, 1. So we are at stage 1. So game checked ticks, and if next is enabled, it changed stage to 1. Then it will go here. It will get number between 5 and 10. Do something with it. Game clock. I think this sets the time when this will be run. Will I be able to catch it? Let's go here. So it will go here. So when you trigger this, game checks that it should run it. It goes to the first stage. This I don't remember what it does. It changes stage to second stage. This gets random number between 5 and 10. It adds this. Let me. That's somehow 50. It's 1 day. It's 50 ticks plus random of 5 to 10. And this is the actual time when Quake will start. Quake next tick. For now it's unknown value, but actually it's supposed to be double word pointer. So it should be double word. Quake next tick, because yeah, tick is also double word, 4 bytes. So we see this part. Let's run the game. Apparently game is already... No, there is this tick. So we got... let me sync you with a Ghidra. Okay, we are here. We will not go inside this function, we will jump. There's again problems with appearance. Save, please. So we got 8 random number. We will add yes, it's moving for the stack. Then we are loading address, but it's actually a clever way to make math in the assembler. And now we are getting game clock into EIX. It's a current clock. If we will look at this value, F3C, so it's 3CF actually, 975, and we are at the 19 March. So if we will by 50, It's not. Ah, wait a minute. Game tick resets when I load the game. I need to check it after. If game starts ticking from 0 every time you reload the game, it's interesting. And it starts ticking from the start of the month. That's more interesting part. Then we are moving this to this global value and to 11.7b. So Quake next tick here. Oh, wait a minute, 11. What the address? Where is this? 11.7b. Why I don't see you? Ah, I didn't check for you. So here we got exactly this value. So this just random thing. And we are calling this function. I accidentally skipped it, but I think it's again some random stuff according to these values. I already saw them somewhere. If we will look here, we will get this enormous data. And we are running this. The quick run here. Now move. We call this run. As far as I understand, it's actually the run function for the Quake. And I need to move my switch to this. So if I will run the game and go here, we see the first wave shock. Now we are here and it jumps on this value. Come on, stop doing this. Okay. Jump double word. So yeah, jumping tables, it's interesting stuff. So we got base plus offset by the EAX. EAX is actually grabbed from here. There is our switch. Quake stage. So we should get here. And there is this check. If game clock is greater than Quake next tick. Let me grab this new value. So many stuff to watch. So next tick is 10 cc and this 7F6E. So yeah, clock is lower and then this. It will go in this jump. So we are here, we are moving and comparing, and we will jump out basically to return. it will jump up here, down here. We can again continue, open the game, wait. We got breakpoint. Again, it goes here. Ghidra a little bit off because we are actually here. Here it's correct. Okay, for some reason the compiler is detached. So stage is still 2. We can see it. Perfect. We again go here and we check the ticks. Ticks are still doesn't work. So we again jumping out. Unfortunately, if I will do it like that, we will wait too long for this because it tick too slow. So we again will just hop. So for now, we almost there. You can see it again jumps out. That's why I changed the speed. Now we will get almost again. Come on. Jump out. 5, 6, 68. Almost. Another one. Again jump out. 7, 8, 9. This speed A, B, C, C. Oh, it's perfect. But actually it's a bad stuff because it's strictly greater than when it's equal, it will not trigger it. You can see it's again jumping out. So the next run will be ours. Come on. And here we go. We got 10 FE, which is greater than this, and we will be able to see the perfect work. So go in, go jump, and we are not jumping. Jump is not taken. We are getting inside. We are setting all of this stuff, which I still don't know what it does. For some reason it sets game next tick plus 200. But okay. 200 for 4 days just. But what I am interested in is this stage. So we set stage to 3. This, oof. Oh, interesting. Hahaha, I need to check it. Type equal to is the patient. Oh, it's a do while. Is this what I think it is? It's either of two. It's either checking all hospital object array for the machinery and do damage, or it's looking for the patients and make them fold because of the earthquake. Or it does buff because there is a lot of health inside this do, and apparently this param is actually will be a type. I need to check it. I can see it here actually. This gives 1 and -1 inside. Let me go in this function. So, and but it's hard coded. So it doesn't take anything in. Interesting. So this is 1, this is -1 right now. So it will go here 1, and it will go here. It casts this field. Interesting. What is this field? Just masking. It's maybe masking of a sprite of a patient. Interesting. Because if it's damage, it should be just plus minus, I think. Push. Let me see. Push. It's not interesting for us. Why it doesn't sync properly with the compiler? So we are getting these edges, which is apparently object address. Yep. EF 74F0. So yeah, it's hospital object address. Can I name it? I think label this, please. We will see it better. And this is end. Okay. And AF, it's a step. It's the size of the object in the game. So we're getting here. We are comparing that it's not the end of the array. Okay. Jump above equal. So it will jump off. But not now. F8, come on. Move. Yes. It's stack plus C. We will get 1 apparently in BL. Yeah, 1. Compare this. So we're comparing first param, or no, we're checking host object array type. No, it's not array, it's object. Byte pointer. ESI plus C. Let me follow in dump ESI. Follow in dump 5. Because we don't have any patients in the hospital. It's supposed to be an object. Just by logic. So it's C's for C. So it's 4, 8, C. So type 6. Ooh. Jump is taking. We comparing byte. Jump not equal. Yeah, we are not equal to this. And we jump out of this if. Punk. Here we are iterating there. There is -1. and we passed -1, so it will try to find the actual patient. This function in this case doesn't do anything else apparently, because it first checks for this. Okay, I read this if incorrectly. It's if enclosed in this if, because I didn't notice this, that this is the one long ass check. So if this is not equal to, it will never go inside this part. It will always go outside here. So until it finds the patient, it will not do anything. So this apparently is actually a function which makes people either drop, either vomit. It actually adds to their vomit limit. It's overloads it. So this vomit limit, it's an amount at which patient will vomit. And because they are setting this level to the maximum +10, he will definitely vomit. So when there's earthquake, people will not only fall but vomit. I never noticed this. But only if param 1 is 0. In this case, we are sending param as 1, so it will not go here. Here, and it will not go here. It will go here, yes. So if it will find patient, and this param masking with bool to this param itself -1, it will go inside here. So right now we will not be able to go inside this function because we don't have any patients in our hospital, unfortunately. But it's easy fixable, but it will be for the next time. Or I will stuck here for too long. So here we got out, and it will go back to the start and will again go in the circles. So I need to get out of this function, and I accidentally get out too much. So we are out of here. We are where? FF0 and 06090. It's again random stuff. So we got out of here and we are on our way to here. So quick run is run. No, here I run. And we are getting into the return. And if we will see, we got second wave, the main wave of the game. And again, stop here. Our stage is 3 as expected. And we will get here. There is game stage 4. So there is 5 stages of the quake. Well, let's see. We got inside the 4th stage, which sets the stage and loads a lot of stuff. Oh, first it checks if this 2 by 3 here less and quake next tick less. So apparently, Interesting. It runs. But it doesn't do anything here, I think. Maybe this check makes it run longer, this quake itself. So shaking stuff. Maybe. But I'm not sure. Hospital start. There is again. It checks for the something. Okay, because it got this pointer to the rooms, it's actually apparently code checking for the machinery, and this is doing damage. Yeah, there is severity involved, then it's definitely code for destruction. Okay, good. So 0 stage, it just runs every once in a while, checking if it's time to quake. Then case 1 gives the first push. Quake 2, case 2 checks. So case 1 gives small push and sets the timer when it should be the next wave. Then case 2 checks if time is come. If it is, it quakes again and sets another timer for the I'm losing the light. So this is just regular check. This is the quick run. That's first wave. It's the second wave. Yeah, it gives second line, gives another timer. This checks this timer. And actually there is OR check. So either the timer is up or this happened. What is this? I don't know. But I see it's set to 4, then it's set to 16, and then it's set to this. And we again got this function, but with different params. So Quake 4 and Quake stage 4. Quake load. So it loads the new Quake from the config file. And everything is back. -1, less than 2. Interesting. So I can check if we got back to stage 1, but how can I do it? Because if I will just immediately check for the stage 0, I will immediately send stuff because it will not be able to change so quickly. Of course, I can check for stage 4. So if it was able to get to the stage 4, it means that everything went according to plan. Now how I can check it? First of all, I need to add this address of Quake stage. So let's grab this. Let's add it in the Quake manager, I suppose. Quake manager, double word, Quake page equal this, but actually this offset. What's wrong with you? Nothing. So there is simplest way how to check for the value is to make a freaking while loop. But I don't like this. So I can just make a while like stage not equal 4. You will just loop here and then you will be able to send feedback. But that's really stupid. Can I make it more nicely? Can I set an object which will wait for the signal? Let's ask ChatGPT, of course, because I don't know how to do it in C++ normally. In JS they get like observer change to a value and send the signal when it changes. Sorry, I forgot to mention that this is C++. He gave me example in Python. Change the values. In C++. The value sending signal observing design pattern. So only with pattern. There is no structure which can. Oh no, add observer. Are you seriously? Okay, abstractor observer class. Server update. And how it works? Yeah, if I call the set value, it will update. Encapsulate the value in a class. Okay, he doesn't understand. All for changes, thank you. It's not what I want. Let's try Google C++. Observe volume range. Observer. Observing data change. It's again a pattern. It's if I can create it, but I cannot. Okay, let me rephrase it. How I can because this is again, they got subject, they got observer. I can't create subject. Memory chain, because in CheatEngine that's exactly what I did. I just made a freaking loop and was just waiting. Observer pointer, interesting. Standard experimental. Observer stores a pointer to a second object known as a watched object. An observer pointer may also have no watched object. Observer is not responsible in any way for the watched object. There is no inheritance relationship between an observer and the object it watches. Very fundamental. Let's see what we got. Observers returns a pointer to the watched object. And Observer notify calling a method on the observed object. So there is no like callback. It will not notify me. New drop replacement for raw pointer types, which is an advantage. Vocabulary type. What the point if I can't get a signal from it? Okay, apparently I will have to do it like that. While, so we need to change here. We need again this nice Quake manager, set Quake stage. This is basically a pointer to integer or byte, or we will get out of this byte pointer to Quake stage offset. This Quake stage offset, we need Quake manager arch. This will be byte set Quake stage. This will be again byte Quake stage. Where is it? Set Quake stage. What's wrong with you? Because I need to return byte pointer. Quake stage. Okay. Now in the manager, when we are calling this, we need to stage. Set Quake stage. Now we will get this Quake stage, and in command I will call to the wait wait done, we will call it. Okay, Quake manager, you will get this bool wait done. Now we will need to make this function bool Quake manager wait done, and we will just move this stuff inside this function. While There will be just empty while loop. This quick page not equal 4. This value is not equal, and then we will send through. But how we can define if it was successful or not? I can make a timeout, and if in some time it didn't run, it will return false. Or we will just infinitely loop here. Let me check C++ timer. How I can make simple timer. Simple timer in C++. The timer. And this actually is better way. Because while loop will be running just with an enormous speed. Chrono duration we got. And let me check timer itself. Wait a minute. That's library. No. There must be a timer in the C++. Time. Fast template, chrono duration within time interval. Okay. Time. Returns current. So nice. Let me check this library then. Sample, but so it's header only. So timer atomic bool active. Set timeout, set interval, stop. Set timeout. So it's thread sleep. Ooh. Let me check actually. Maybe there is a new get package timer. Why are you giving me trading? Oh, no, get packages doesn't have packages for C++. You wanna say not supposed to work like that? Timer. This package contains generic static high performance timer, a convenient way to measure left average min max. Okay. Can I GitHub? Awesome. Maybe I will find something like that. More on GitHub. Okay. So many of them. So his is the top one. Okay. Timer. Nano timer. Simple low overhead closed platform timer class for benchmarking. Okay. And everything with a time. Go back. Run time. Real time. Quantum chemistry program. Wow. Real time. Time. Nano timer, okay. Game engines, wow. Real time. Multimedia. Time zones. Okay. So let's see, can I use this? Timer start. Get labs. It's a different timer, just like for testing actually. It will not work. Let's see here. This one. It's annoying that I can't copy this and it doesn't work. This file does not exist. report abuse. No. Timer. Last update. Oof. I understand that you basically can't reinvent the timer. Oh, boost timer. Wait a minute. Okay, let's go again. Orc. Libraries. Including timers. Event timer, progress timer, and progress display classes. Let's see. Or it's again just for measuring. If you need the libraries directly to version 2, CPU timers. Checkpoint every 20 CPU seconds. 20 seconds, okay. I think it's overkill for me. This is the problem because it doesn't work and I don't have a documentation for this. Only looking at the and again at .NET. What the fun. I think dependent, no? Can I even use let's try. So what you got here? From let's go to the chrono. Now. collapsed. We got system clock, wall clock time from the system wide time. Steady monotonic clock that will never be adjusted. UTC atomic time GPS file. Just I don't need too precise stuff. So the time point of this clock cannot decrease as physical time moves forward, and the time between ticks of this clock is constant. It's more suitable for measuring intervals. So let's use this. So clock equal new it will now what is the type? New static time point representing the current time. Like I understand you're using auto, but can I use something else? Okay. We need this chrono. Yes, are you expected a type specifier? Because it's a static method. I don't need new. Then done some work. Chrono steady clock. Now it will be this. But I will do differently. I will place it here, I think, somewhere. It will be duration, apparently. Elapsed. Wait duration. Oh, method. There's no such thing as duration. Chrono duration. Apparently I need to give it a type. Let me see. Just double. It's again too precise for me. Can I give an integer? Float. Can I give you an integer? Are you okay? Yes. And wait duration will be I don't know, 5 minutes. The chrono minutes, like 5. Do you have minutes? Yeah. So here we will while this or this elapsed. I don't know. So I will elapsed seconds. This. Start. Don't start. No, I just need to remove this and do it like that. If now minus start greater than wait duration less. Just elapsed. What is this? I don't see anything. It's just apparently a shortcut. Can I do it like that? Now is not defined. Okay. Yeah, it's const. Like that. We need a thread. Standard, this thread. We need thread for that. This thread. Delete 4. Standard chronos. Minutes. I think we will be refreshing every minute because It's supposed to happen in 1 minute. Nothing bad should happen. So while this is not equal 4, or this is less than duration, we will go inside, but now I need to think a little bit. Just if it's true, it will not check this and it go here immediately, so this will be ticking infinitely. But if I will make it end, if it go false, it will go here. Or if this go false, it will go here. So only if they both true, it will go back to the do. If one of them fails, it will jump out. That's how it's supposed to work. But again, I need to know if duration, if duration failed, I need to return false. That's why we are doing this. If greater than, we just return false. Now, in which order I should do this? I think we should first check. Then we got. Now it's okay. Just if I will wait for the minute, there may be a problem that it will check this, it will fail this, but actually this will be true at this time. So I need to check it immediately after this. The thread sleeps for 1 minute, then grabs again now. Or even this. Now, if where is this command? So wait done. This will be bool result. And then we will send we'll return a result from this. So this is no longer a void. Or I think I will call result here. Strange, where is my repo for Diablo? How I did it last time. Just should it be encapsulated in the separate function? Or again, let me see. Actually, yeah, command not supposed to know anything about the message. So command run should return result here of this run. So we should return this, so we will be returning bool. Command unknown also returns bool, which returns false all the time. What's return? Okay. All of you must return bool. Now return false. Where is the header? So this will return also bool. This returns bool, and this returns bool. So then, after we returned, we should send back the WebSocket and, or to right actually. Again, where is my boost org? Beast. Simple WebSocket. Quick look examples. We got server, HTTP, WebSocket sync, simple sync. Where are they sending echo? Right, buffer, data. So I need a buffer. Where's the reference, please? Reference here. Right. Buffer. HTTP. WebSocket. Close stream base reason. Huh. So we are using buffer, right? Wait a minute. I think I missed something. Server WebSocket sync. So accept read the buffer, write the buffer, echo the message back. WebSocket, and it sends just by default. Let's try echo back for now. Come on, just stop showing me this nonsense. Who did this? Build? Oh, I need to actually close the game. Redefinition, different basic type. What? And meanwhile, let me add on message. Here we will get core, WebSocket, client, message THSM, and we will see. Okay, what? How I didn't fix this? So overriding version function type differs. Fixed this one. Bool command close run void overload function differs only by return type. Excuse me, what? Bool. Let me check this WebSocket. WebSocket. So it's a WebSocket on connect. Yes, on connect. On connect. So this I need to disable, and one message is only one, and this is a different one. Okay. Now we build. So that's nice. One error produced like 5 lines actually. So now again, let's run the game. Why are you not charging? Can you tell me? Okay, now I will test it with actually close command. Connect. So here, and where is my logs, which I actually need. Now close test. We send this, we get back the same. What the fun is this? I don't know. Why? This returns instead of 0 this nonsense. But we got back basically what we sent. So okay, it works. Let's close. Now we need create a new command, a new message. We don't have a command. We just send back the message with the ID and the result. And that's all. What am I supposed to do here? Message, come on. Ah, no, I need to send this. Or so command is a string for now. So I can send back also a string via this command. Or it's not a good idea. Let's try and create string with a result. What's wrong? Nothing. Result. So message response will be new message message is the class. I don't have a constructor proper. Static. Can make another static method which will will be a little bit ambiguous, I think. I can get a response up, call message up. Or we can make an interesting thing. And not create a new one. And just populate the field, that result, for example. Result. Will be that result. Which will accept a boolean result. This result equal result bool. Or no. It's easier to make it like that. And even like that. And we will just but now I need to again pack it back into the string and send it to the client. Because I can't do it like that. Oh, what? Can it do it? Nope. Right, yeah, right, failed. How am I supposed to? So when we parsed, we used JSON parse into. How can I serialize it? Boost. Out. Response buffer. Can I serialize? Let me check the docs for this. Actually, yes, right accept streams, and that's all. Buffer. Libraries. JSON. Reference and class parse serializer function serializer value const point address t into the string. Let's try it like that. Actually, it returns a string. Yep. So I can no instance matches the argument. Oh, where is examples? Lies. Get string. I can just serialize type into the string. Serialize. This option object. Returns the string representation a serialized element. Function serialize t as JSON and returns a standard string. The value object. Wait a minute. It requires address. Nope. Nope. Usually it must be like that. Where is my... Oh, I already did this with Diablo. I can't find the source. Because I reinstalled my system after that. Strange. Boost JSON serialize class. Come on. Buff. Right, JSON. What's the easiest way to serialize, deserialize the type instead of map using boost? Oh. There must be an easier way, no? That's our boost library. Just strange, if it's object, it's supposed to be anything. And it requires basically address of this to serialize. Maybe it's supposed to have a toString method or something. We got classes, etc, etc. Set names, set load. Oh. Okay, let's see. Main of stream. Okay. Xstream. No. So I need again some stuff. Oh. And I can't attach this hard drive. Or I can. Wait a minute. Yes. Okay, that's better. I hope at least it's here. Where is this one? Let's see. So this I don't need. Where is the start? Listen and how I did it. Oh, I was doing this apparently with JSON parser, data object. Wait a minute. Because I wasn't parsing it like that. It was still in JSON object. So I was getting this text buffer. Then I was parsing like that in JSON values and JSON object, JSON message contains. Oh, then it was parsing event into object. Q run. And where is the answer? We need config solver. Let me look here. We say we need client start, client listen. So everything in the listen is supposed to work. D2 event. Stuck. Random. Amnesia. This code is really unorganized. Response. There is a response for event. Yes, right. Boost ICO buffer message string. So I was creating just boost object. Yeah, now I understand. This object means not any object, but boost JSON object. Boost JSON serialize, and there is this object. So it cannot just serialize any object I will give it. Complete. Message complete. What I can do. Changing state of the object is actually a bad idea. For now, we will deal with it like that. Response. So we will get up ID and complete, which will be message up the hell. I copied this message up message. Okay, command ID and this. Command does not have a met ID. That's unfortunate. Of course, we always get virtual string get ID. You can change it like that. Const 0. Okay. What's wrong again? Why you expected semicolon? No, that's better. Command. Now you should get ID. The string private ID. The public private would describe how they work again. Class. It's a struct, type of protected. Overview, I think I can. No. Okay. So this is a name, this is a private, it's a basis. M3, it's a public. And protected. Last one is private. So this one, I think it's actually here. No. Yeah, there it is. See, it's a constructor, basis, public, protected, private. Okay. I remember I saw it somewhere. There it is. And this one. ID. Now, ID should return ID from the command. Then we will serialize the response. and it should send it back perfectly fine. Nope, something wrong with boost describe, I think. This type is not supported. Parse into, yeah. Type requirement is not met. I command. Because, of course, I forgot to add a method into describe. I added a private field, but a setter, a getter. I add setter also. Still something wrong. And again, something wrong with the describe. First of all, I forgot to write the whole definition of the actual method. That's unfortunate. So command close, for example. And then string command close ID const. This actually is not true. It's not const. It's state. It changes the state. Can I do it like that? Commands ash. Okay, now return this ID.
Aliens do exist,
Oh,
and you're in the building.
hello,
Aliens, please sign the visitor's book.
Janus, rating with a 1. With yourself? Command unknown. Oh, wait a minute. I need this. Hey, mate, nah, that should be the rotel, at least out of my knowledge. Okay. Hello, raiders. Still. Command here, command quake. Come on, what the hell? Why it's again complaining? We're just messing around with a couple things for an hour. My brain is too fried to do all that today, though. So at least I get a couple things done and was productive. Yes, being productive is a good thing. for some reason my code doesn't wanna be productive. I'm missing something in the describe. So we got this run an ID. So if I get public methods, I don't need nothing, only names. M5 private. So here everything should be fine. Run is here, ID is here. I feel that nothing that won't want to work as it should, yeah. C'est la vie. Here, private, run ID. Here, so command unknown, command close, name code, run ID, ID. Here, name, severity, run ID. Why parse is uncommented here? It's not supposed to be here. I accidentally controlled that something too much. Because I got rid of these parse methods. But it still doesn't build. Type is not supported. Wait a minute. Let me get rid of this. No, still. Basic parser. Okay, type is not supported still. Let me remove everything I added recently. It doesn't like my ID thing. Let's go one by one. And I comment, get rid of this, get rid of this. And then I need to comment this all out. Command close only. One I see. Okay, command unknown. You get this. Command quake. Run and let me move you so it will be closer to each other. Command close. Command close. Okay. I command get only run. Command factory. Command unknown. Okay, let's get rid of all of this again. This should work because it's an old version. Okay. Generating code, so this version works. But if I add ID, for example, for one command, if I will build this, it will complain because I didn't describe. One, two, three, four, five private. Okay. Are you serious? Then why it says the last element is private and here it's also private field described? And if I will not describe it, it will work. ID. What's wrong with you? You are not implemented. Command unknown. Get this. It will not be override for now. If I will try and build it, it should complain. Because I didn't describe it again. No, it doesn't complain. Why? Strange. Let's try then to Unlock everything. So command quake ID, command close ID, and command unknown ID. And now command unknown ID is here. Command quake ID is here. Command close go up here. Let's build it. Come on, it's building. Okay. Now let me check. Will I be able to get this ID from the command ID? There's output. Let me start the game meanwhile. Where is my this? Okay, we build it. Where is my StreamerBot? Okay, game is here. Start. Come on, game. Doesn't glitch, please. Yeah, there it is. Now let me just inject. There is our logs from injector, and here are logs from the StreamerBot. Now, if I will try and send this, it should get the correct data here and the correct data here. We got command ID here, but for some reason this is nonsense. So we're getting message, okay, then empty for some reason. So up and command name doesn't read properly, and command ID also nothing. Strange. Why message up? Messed up. Strange, but apparently I will be dealing with after stream or on the next week, because I need to finish it. So that will be all for today. I almost was able to make a loop back with a feedback to the StreamerBot, but apparently not today. So, thank you everyone who joined us. Thank you, Janus, as always. I will see you all tomorrow with more StarCraft. I hope I will finally finish it, because there is also a couple missions after. I didn't think there is so many. I didn't check before. So as usual, Have a good rest of your day, have a good rest of your week, have a good evening, and bye bye.